all the rules went out the window. Publicly traded companies are giving access to 𝗚𝗀, to proprietary code. How are people just giving AI access to their file system?
Actually, I think there's not so much value in most code. There's value in, we have a bunch of people who understand this code good enough,
That's
and we
actually a good
can
point.
change it, and we have distribution and stuff. Like, imagine I gave you the code of Meta. So you don't have the data, but the code. So can you now build a social network?
I don't have no,
I
I
mean,
can't.
you would have to change people's behavior to move on from Meta to Meta 1. So the moment you open source it, it's kind of outdated because, you know, we all have roadmaps. Like, we don't live in the past. Who cares about Cosmo today? Because we have a vision for Cosmo tomorrow. So our mode is the ability to create this tomorrow. And that's also why I think it's so harmless to, and even
Yeah,
beneficial to make Cosmo open source, because like more people can collaborate in the ecosystem of tomorrow. Cosmo, it will not stay our single product. So we're building a universe of products. I don't know. I think most code could actually be open source.